You are my warm place.
Hey NiqueNation, it's your girl Jonique, making it look unique, and in today's video, as you can see, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. So, happy Valentine's Day! This video will be dropping before Valentine's Day, but I wanted to do something special for my ladies. So, in today's video, I got this inspiration from a picture that I saw on Google, and I just fell in love with the reds and the purples and the pink, so I wanted to recreate this look. This is the original picture right here. And I just put my little finishing touches on it to make it unique to me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you would like to see how I recreated this look, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, share, follow me on Instagram at jo.taynique, my Snapchat at jo.taytay, and let's just get right to it. video. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to comment down below what other makeup looks you guys like for me to recreate. And also, if you would like to recreate this look, I highly recommend that you take your time. For sure, play with the reds and the purples. You don't want to go for that dark vampire look. As you can see in the video, I did change up my initial plan, but it's okay because it's all about trial and error, and this was the end result. So take your time and you can do it. And if you do recreate it, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at jotaynique, and I would love to repost it. And have a wonderful Valentine's Day, guys. Give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below. I love you guys, and bye.